This is Doug with Warriors Resolution. We're doing a pocket dump. First of all, SIG 320, clear. Magazine's a factory SIG mag with a Terran Tactical +5 mag extension. On my belt, I've got a 17 with a +2 mag extension, carrying Hornady Critical Duty 9mm ammo. Pistol is a SIG AXG carry size, Norso slide, Trijicon RMR red dot, Armory Craft Magwell, Surefire X300 B,
That's cool.
Surefire Light, silencer code threaded barrel. Also on my belt, I've got the Haley Strategic Darter knife, Benchmade folding Adamas knife, and the Travax 2.0 wallet.